Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the search sections to your blog, how they work, and how to set them up. So the first thing that we want to do is head over to our blog page and then click on the page tab. Next, we'll click on the three dots next to the blog title and click on Add New Canvas. And we're going to head over to My Library and we're going to click on the Blog Expansion Kit number 1 and then click on Search Sections. So this kit comes with 4 different search sections. They all function the same way. They're just designed different. So this one, we have a big search bar that will actually allow users to search keywords on our blog. And then you can also link to different categories here. Same with this big search. And then you can link to categories, but this time the categories have images. And this one is very similar. We have the search, it's just not as prominent as the other two, and we're kind of featuring the categories a little bit more. And then on the other one, same idea, a little bit less of a prominent search, but we have more categories that we can feature. Now, all of these, we're going to hand type in the categories and hand link those categories. So we can actually select any of these, and like I mentioned, they're all going to work the same way. So let's go ahead and choose this one here. So we want to select on Blog Search 2 and then click on Add. It's going to add it to the very bottom of our design, but we can actually put this anywhere we want. So let's go ahead and find a good place for it. We kind of want it up at the top. So let's just say we want it right below the blog header and right above the actual post grid. So let's drag that up here and goes above the blog header. Actually, sorry, we're going to add this below the post grid and underneath the pagination here. So let's do that. I think that would look and feel a little bit better. We can go ahead and change the background to something of a little bit more on brand to our color. So we're going to change it to color 7. Let's go ahead and do the same thing on mobile. Now, this is all set up for you. So when you click on this search bar here, you could actually double check, but if you hit text properties, the placeholder should be search bar. So all of this is already set up for you. If you click on the search by keyword text box, you'll see that a black box comes up that says search bar. Under text properties, you can set the placeholder to search bar if it's not already, but it should already be programmed for you. And what this is going to do is it's going to allow this text box to be used as an actual search bar for your blog. Now, underneath, we have Explore Categories. This is where you're going to link to your individual categories. So how we do that is we can click on the image and or the text box, click on Click Actions, and then it should already be set up for URL for you. And what you're going to type in is /category/ and then the category slug. So that could be something like featured, and then / if you have a featured category. Now, to check the categories that you have and to create categories, you could head over to WordPress and log into your dashboard. If you click on posts, you'll see categories here. So let's go ahead and click on categories. And we're going to see featured, marketing, podcast, and weddings. Those are the categories that we have here just on our demo site. And like I mentioned, here's that featured category. So if we click on quick edit, you will see the slug here. So again, we're just going to double click on that and copy it. And then this is where you're going to add the slug. So / category / and then that slug goes here. So just to make sure, boom, just like that. So this would be featured. So then we can actually rename this featured. And then we want to do the same thing to the to the image as well. So let's just copy this, click on the image, and then link is going to be URL. And then we're going to paste that category featured link there. Now we can go through and continue to do all of those. So let's say we want a marketing one. We can select marketing, go back to show it, and over the image, we're going to click URL and do /category /marketing, and then end with the / as well. Alternatively, you can actually go to your actual blog here and type in category /marketing and press enter. And it's going to take you to that marketing category page. And you can just select the entire URL if you wanted and paste that here. It will do the same thing. So let's do this one here, and we're going to name this one marketing. And in the URL section, we're going to paste. So you can continue doing that. And as I mentioned, all of the search sections are going to be the same. Just make sure that your text box here is set to search bar, and it should already be. And then just go ahead and link to all of your categories. Now let's hit publish. And let's go back to our blog. And if we scroll down here, we're going to see that new search section here where people can type in here, search anything. And then if they click on one of these categories that we have set up, let's say the marketing one, it's going to take them directly to that category marketing. And I'll show you the other one. If I click on featured, it's going to go to category featured as well. If you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out.